Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe. Click the bell icon for future notifications. Today, the topic is Amongst Us. The game is quite popular right now, so now I will tell you how to play this game, the characters in this game, and the tricks and tips to be a pro player. So, in this game, we have a crew and the imposters. The imposters can be 1, 2, or 3. It's the choice you make when you are taking a game. So, while playing this game, you feel the graphics are too low, but the game is really fun. You have to understand the game and then you have to play. So, the first, when you open the game Amongst Us, you see 3 types of players. One is local, online, and free play. Local mode is you can connect with 4 to 10 players of your own to play this game. Then only it will be fun. And the online mode, you can join any online club to play the game. And the private is you can join a private club with the code which is provided by your friends or the people you play with. So when you click on the options, you get settings, music, controls, and the analytics. When you click the analytics, you get how many people you killed, how many games you have won. You can even buy the skins, avatars, and stuff. So into the game, let's now try the free play. In free play, you are the only one person who is playing live, and the other players are just dummies. So while wandering in the game, you click on the map, you get the places of exclamatory marks. These are the missions you have to complete in the game. If you complete the missions, you will win the game. And the imposter, if you want to become an imposter, you have to go to the laptop and then click imposter. While wandering in the game, if you go to the players, when you go to the laptop and click imposter, you take the file and the countdown begins on the right side of the screen. You can see 10, 6, 5. In that, after that time is over, you could kill players and then you could report. If you report, you'll be having a group discussion, and there are events which you can teleport from one place to another without being seen. If you go into those vents, you can land in some other place. So this is a fun game. You have to play with logics. While playing this game, you have to play it in such a way that while killing players, there shouldn't be other players in that area. If other players are there, if more than one player is there in that area, you will be reported. When you are reported, you will be kicked out of the spaceship. The discussion forum looks like this. The person who gets more number of votes gets kicked out. Like if he is the imposter, gets kicked out. If he is not the imposter, the game restarts. So in this game is restarted. So the players are now moving around, and in the computer you can change your avatar and the skin of the player. I am now turned into orange. You can even wear a hat, pets, and skin and game. If you want to have pets, you have to buy them, and skin you have to buy them. You can buy them in the store. The game is about to start. Now the game is started. There are 2 imposters in this crew. So on the left top, you can see the list of missions you have to do in this game. If all the missions are done, you win the game. If the missions are not done, you lose. You can even win the game by killing the imposter. See, an emergency meeting has been called, and this area, it's been reported as red. That means something has been sabotaged by the imposter. There are 2 imposters in the game. You can see that a person coming behind me is the killer, and the guy who will join me, who is in brown color, he's also a killer. If these 2 people kill me, I'll turn into a ghost. A ghost cannot report anything. He cannot chat with others. he could chat only with the person who's dead or the person who is also a ghost. The ghost, I became a ghost, a person killed me. If every other player is dead, we are defeated and the imposter wins. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.